All right. What are we gonna do here, sir? Gotta put the new muffler in. That's the one thing we forgot to.
I think it's a bad battery.
That's the one thing we forgot to. Well, we don't really forget. It's just while it's on the lift.
Yeah.
Preparing to align. This is the perfect time. The pipe back here is a little bit on the rusty side, so welding it might be a bit of a challenge. But
It's gonna be fun.
it's gonna be a hoot. It's gonna be an absolute hoot. So I'm gonna get this rotten old ratty one with giant holes in it out. Got our nice new muffler here. Be ready to go in. Let me cut the old one out and we will see how we're doing.
Yay!
All right. So next thing you see, it'll be me cutting.
Gosh.
That's the inlet side. So that's the inlet is off. That's
Which is this one here.
right here.
Because other side's up top.
There's two exits actually.
Yeah.
It's a single inlet and two outlet.
In, out,
Out.
out.
I'm
So,
gonna do that outlet and then come back to do this outlet.
sounds like a plan, Stan.
Scuzzy and a little rusty crusty. Luckily, that just slipped off, which will make it easier because we'll slip this into there, and that'll kind of get us lined up.
In the hole.
Then we can tack that. All right.
All right. Show you the aftermath. Redneck engineering at our finest.
Oh man!
Do it for Dale.
Oh gosh, that's got some holes in it.
Yeah. That muffler's
So
ready.
it's like
for church.
Chris has been making Swiss cheese at Albertsons again.
It's ready for church, man. It's holy.
I wish it was that hard.
This is nasty. So it's out.
It's out. We're gonna clean up the edges and get ready. Well, I've got the
That's
welded
the
out.
way
So
You guys got problems.
yeah, we do. But all right. Well, next we'll be setting up the thing and welding up some holes.
Look
Damn,
how
that's.
nasty.
Can we weld up some hair up there? Damn, that's a bald spot. All right, later. Hey, I see you didn't burn the house down.
Nope.
That's always a good thing.
It's in.
It's in.
Welded up.
Nice.
Smoky.
A little smoky.
Oh, take care of that.
Sweet.
You got that ratchet? I do want to put that that one hanger that we had to loosen up to get that pipe moved just a hair.
So, next is
Alignment time.
alignment, peanut butter and jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
All right. Okay, well, the next video you'll see us is setting up to align the car.
Yay!
Yay. Bye.